So volcanic eruption, when there is some type of cracks or small cracks are there in the mountain. So sudden, when the sudden eruption is there, so they start coming out from those cracks. So it is called fissure type, or the molten magma, they are deposited on the cracks. This molten material coming out with the eruption spreads on both sides of fissure. As a result, volcanic plateaus are formed. The Deccan Plateau of India has also been formed due to such type of volcanic eruption. You know, Deccan Plateau of our country, it is formed due to, before so many millions of years ago, when a volcano was erupted, and the molten magma, or those material which ejected from mountains, they start depositing above the Deccan part of our country. And especially our Deccan part is formed of consist of basalt, you know, basalt rock. So that formation was happened before so many years ago, when the eruption of any type of some kind of volcanoes was there. So this Deccan Plateau of our country was formed due to this volcanic fissure type volcanic eruption. Now effects of volcano, as we see, as we saw effects of volcano, now we'll see effects of volcano. Children, volcanoes are also very destructive. It can destroy fields, it can destroy villages also. Loss of life and property. Sometimes tsunamis get generated due to volcanic eruption occurring below ocean floors. Can you imagine if the any volcanic eruption which happened below the ocean floor, it can bring tsunami, heavy destruction above the ocean surface. Dust, smoke, ash, gases, water vapor, etc., remain in the atmosphere for a very long time, and this may create imbalance in environment. So the people residing besides those places, nearby those places, so it is very difficult for those people, because totally the atmosphere is filled with those ash, gases, and water vapor. Sometimes the gas is poisonous gas. So this may create imbalance in environment. Land may become fertile. Sometimes what happen, it is opposite also. Land may become fertile due to volcanic ash. Sometimes some type of metals are also ejected, and that those metals can be very conducive for agriculture. तो कभी कभी अपोजिट भी होता है, कभी डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है, और कभी जब वो जम जाता है तो वो जो मटेरियल्स होता है, जो रॉक फॉर्मेशन होता है, जो सॉइल होता है, जो ऐश होता है, वो एग्रीकल्चर के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. Many minerals are found near the Earth's surface because of the lava. New land is formed due to volcanic eruption. At times, an island may even disappear. Sometimes, what happens, due to volcanic eruption, new land is formed. Suddenly, sudden eruption is there, and new land is formed. And sometimes, land island is disappear. It may even disappear also. कभी कभी गायब हो जाता है कुछ लैंड का फॉर्म, और कभी कभी न्यू लैंड फॉर्म हो जाता है. And one thing very important, another thing, during this eruption, some different types of molten magmas or molten rocks are also coming out inside the earth. So this is very important for the scientists to study about what is inside our, what the metals consist of, what are the composition of those metals. So ये साइंटिस्ट लोगों के स्टडी रिसर्च करने का भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक वे है. बहुत अच्छा एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का उनका एक बहुत अच्छा एक यू कैन से एक्सपेरिमेंट हो सकता है. Lakes are formed at the mouth of craters of dead volcanoes when rainwater accumulates in them. Sometimes what happen, एक बहुत बड़ा ऐसे क्रेटर बन जाता है, डेड वॉल्केनो. You know, dead volcano, some volcanoes are active volcano, some volcanoes, they have not erupted since millions of years ago, they have erupted, now they have stopped eruption, there is no eruption, so they are dead volcanoes. तो वो जो volcano जो गड्ढा रहता है, कभी कभी उसमें लेक फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. तो when rain water accumulates in them, the lakes are formed. Now here you can see the picture, central or conical volcano, fissure type volcano. This is the destruction caused by earthquake. And this is in our country, this picture Sahyadri layers of lava deposition due to volcanic eruption. So already I told you the Deccan part of our country is formed due to volcanic eruption. So this is a picture. Now children see, one map is there. So this map is about, it is given in your lesson also. This map is but about different volcanic eruptions which happened above the surface of earth, which is